All right, here we go again. Part 2 or project number 2 for today. Like I said, I will keep the videos to around 20 to 30 minutes or so. Today's project is going to be this vinyl Duplicolor vinyl fabric spray. I'm going to change the interior, so let's see what it looks like now. I'm gonna try to change out all these things to black, so I'm gonna paint the seat. Supposedly Duplicolor is one of the better ones out there that have really good success as far as the paint or the dye that's in the can sticking and the longevity of it and everything else. So that's what I'm gonna do. These things are super easy to come off. The seats are super easy to come out. 4 bolts, right? The seats come out. The panels are easier. There's pins. There's screws on the inside. Okay, so let me pop off all the door panels, door cards, and get started on this project. I'll be right back again. So the passenger side was a little pain in the neck because it had this little grab bar thing that was here, but the driver's side does not. So I figured, what the heck, I'll show you guys how I took it off. That little grab bar thing, I just could not get it off. It looks like it's riveted on to the panel itself, so it's gonna stay there. So meantime, I'll show you what I am going to do to pop off the driver's side. All right, that easy. The driver's side was a lot easier than the passenger side. So I'm gonna tape it all up right now, clean it, vacuum it, maybe fabric clean it, I don't know. But let me go and spray the other one and I'll be right back. it's done. It's hard to tell what it looks like because of the glare, but it looks really nice. It looks really factory looking. I did kind of scrub it with my fingers and it does not come off. I used the white towel, tried to wipe it. It does not come off and it feels soft. It's not hard, like as if you were to spray paint something and it's hard. No, it's an actual dye that is in an aerosol can. In fact, I got some on my finger and it doesn't really want to come off. So I may be stuck with this for a while. Anyway, I'm gonna get these panels cleaned up, take all the tape off, throw it back on the car, and we'll see what it looks like. If it turns out pretty good, then I'll pull out the 2 seats in the front. I'll pull out the rear seats and the rear quarter panels, and I'll do those. So let me get this back in. I'll be right back again. Well, I couldn't have been any happier. The door cards came out damn nice. Let's go check out the passenger side. All right, well, since that was so easy, I'm gonna take out the front 2 seats and pull out the rear cushions and start on the back. No sense in boring you guys with all that, so let me just pull them out. I might time lapse it, I don't know, but I'm gonna pull these guys out, paint it. I'll be back again. All right, the front driver's seat is out. Now all I need to do is take out the passenger seat, undo the bolts for the rear seats, and pull out the whole rear half. I'm not too sure how to get out these side quarters here. I think once I pull out the seat, pull out the rear seats, pull off this trim molding around the door. Once I pull all that off, I think I can just pop it off. If not, I may just tape it and spray it in the car. I don't know. So let me get this all sprayed up and I'll be right back again. Ah, boy. Well, I thought I was just gonna do the center part of the seats, just the white parts, but it looks better if I just paint the whole thing. So I ended up doing this. All right, this little project of mine ended up taking all day, literally all day, from morning till night. It's almost night, sun's going down, it's about 6 o'clock in the evening. I gotta hurry up, I wanna get this done, get it all back in and show you guys what it looks like. Here's an update. This is the back seat, the front seat, and the side panels. It's really hard to see it in the shade without any sun and any contrast. It actually does look really factory, but like I said, it's really hard to tell with the shading, the contrast, and the reflection of the sun and all that. Let me finish up and show you guys what it looks like when it's done. All right, well, I was working so hard this morning that I forgot to film an intro. Anyway, I'm gonna try to keep the videos short. I'm gonna try to keep the videos very dedicated. So instead of grouping a whole bunch of stuff that I do, I'm gonna try to keep it separated in case someone just wants to see how to take out the interior, just wants to see how to do the exhaust and so forth. Today's project, almost done here. But today's project is going to be painting the interior. It was kind of faded, a couple little brown stains here and there, real small, really minute. It really didn't bug me, but I saw a bunch of people using the Duplicolor fabric and vinyl paint. It's actually dye that's been infused into the aerosol can, and through whatever chemicals they use, the bonding process is really freaking good. Here's the door. And it's nice and soft and smooth. It's not stiff as if it was painted. It actually feels like fabric. It feels pretty good. All right, I am done. It took me all day. I beat the sun. This might be a little too black. It looks a little too dark, too gothic. I don't know, but it's black. I don't know, the camera might not be able to pick it up because of the color differences, because of the shades, the way the light reflects off of the material. Who knows? But it is black. All right, that's all I have time for today. So the Duplicolor fabric, vinyl, dye, paint, whatever, is really good. I tried rubbing a white towel on everything and nothing came off on that white towel. I let everything sit and cure for only about an hour, and that was it. So I'll finish up this project again probably during the week. I'll do the exhaust, I still didn't change oil on this thing, bunch of other things. Anyway, all right, there we go. Well, this little 20-30 minute video for you guys ended up being 8 hours for me, but it's worth it. The Duplicolor is really good, no problems. It goes on easy. It does kind of smell, but what do you expect, right? It's a chemical. I'm gonna leave the windows open for the rest of the evening, let it air out, and hopefully it should be better tomorrow. All right, well, that is it for this project. I am tired. There's a ton of things more that I need to do. I still need to somehow order the clutch and parts for the 4Runner. I may get on that this weekend. Well, it's already Sunday, but who knows. Anyway, I gotta go. Thanks everybody for sticking around. See you guys again on my next project.